LipoGel's been on the market for 6 or 7 years. It did not gain the popularity that it has now until the USDA, the government, published a study. The USDA has an interest in biofilms because, well, not just the U.S. government, but the world is moving away from antibiotics for in livestock, okay, cattle, etc., to help them keep weight and gain weight faster. So they were looking for natural alternatives to suppress biofilm so that the cattle basically benefit more from the nutrients. So they were looking for things that could be in feed, things that were very safe and would have no impact to the ultimate consumer of these from our meat industry, okay? So they knew that we had done work in that area, and they knew that we had this material. So they had basically some sophisticated biofilm models to test the effects of anti-biofilm agents. In other words, how effective were they? So of course we participated in that and sent them samples and some of our best efforts, you might say. And once that was published, the results of those studies were published, which were, came out very well for the LipoGel systems that we were developing. Once that got published, almost simultaneously with that, the wound care community has become more and more aware of biofilm as an issue in wound care and chronic infection. And so, that was a synopsis of that study was published in the Journal of Wound Care. And since that time, it's actually been growing in popularity, so I would say in the last 2 years, but it's actually been marketed for 6 to 7 years.